Alright, so we're back in Miami. I know I didn't post for the last 2 Fridays. I apologize for that. I've just been doing so much personally. Like we sold out on the hoodie, so we had to ship. That took like a whole week. Getting everything sorted, making sure everything was perfect. We did package this first batch ourselves just because we wanted to write some custom notes and package everything perfectly. And then after that, we went to LA for roughly a week. We're getting production ready for the next drop that's happening on March 10. Ideally, it's supposed to be March 10 if everything goes well. So, been caught up in all that, and honestly, I didn't have time to pick up the camera. But one, I am gonna make up for the 2 videos that I didn't post, so you guys are gonna be seeing this one tomorrow on a Wednesday, then Friday another one, and then next week I'm also gonna drop 2 to catch up. And second, I'm gonna try to start recording a little bit ahead just in case something like that ever happens. I'm still able to put out the video on Fridays. So I'm definitely trying to get the quality of the content better. I'm trying to get more shots like this where the camera is stable and it's not me walking around just holding it. I'm trying to get away from the vlog style and make it more like cinematic, cool videos that you guys enjoy watching a lot more than the other ones, just to raise the quality of the content. Today I'm actually gonna sign with the Miami Heat. So you guys will understand what I mean by that. You know, I was playing basketball here in the court. They liked my shooting range and they were like, you know what? We're gonna offer you a max contract, 5 years. So we're gonna head over to the Miami Heat arena around 6 p.m. and you guys are gonna see the whole contract signing process. So very excited for that. You know, Thursday meets Miami Heat this year. They're #1 in the East, so couldn't be better timing for me to join the entity and take them to the next level, you know. But yeah, no, very excited for that. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a bit. Besides that, I just got back from LA. My room's a little bit of a mess right now, so I gotta take care of that, get it fixed today, because I hate being in a messy space. So much clothes, so much stuff. 2022 has been off to an amazing start so far. It seems like everything that could have gone right has gone right, and just very focused, trying to hold on to that momentum. In 2017, 2018, when I had that momentum, it was the greatest thing ever because I felt like everything that I was doing would work out. And then I kind of like slowed down a bit, lost that momentum, and then although things were always good, it didn't. I feel like I could have taken it way further than I did. So this time around, 2021 ending 2022, definitely trying to hold on to that momentum because, as I said, momentum is the hardest thing to get and the easiest thing to lose. So once you have it, you need to stay on top of everything. So going crazy on TikTok right now, like gonna be posting an outfit or whatever once a day. TikTok has brought so many opportunities. I know a lot of people look down on TikTok and may think, oh, it's for kids, whatever. It's insane the amount of like little brand deals. The Miami Heat thing you're about to see came from TikTok. So honestly, TikTok is such an undervalued tool for e-commerce, for yourself. Like I've had brands that literally just go viral on TikTok. I've had people that have made millions on TikTok organic. So TikTok is literally the craziest thing going on right now. So if you can capitalize on that, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever it is that you're prioritizing, whether you're an artist or whatever it is, just be consistent, keep that momentum up. Gonna take some pictures in the studio, then I just got my car back from Turo. I had it rented out for a few days, so gonna go drop off some packages and then let's get it. Alright, we're crossing the street. This wind is crazy. I feel like I'm in Chicago, but crossing the street right now. I'm gonna go sign my contract with the Miami Heat. As you guys can see, it's right there. So crazy. Have to be there like right now. I want to shoot so bad. Alright, so we're here, we made it to the arena. We're here for the warm-up, the court side. It's crazy. Just up this close. I'm with Piero today. Had to come through with the Thursday hoodie, obviously. So yeah, I mean, we have a lounge. It's pretty crazy. So I'm kind of excited to be here.
Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably caught side. No, I got it.
Man's got that drink and lost.
That margarita.
Alright, so we just got back from the Heat Arena. Honestly, amazing experience. Shout out to the Miami Heat and FTX for hosting me. It was honestly great. Had a great time. Definitely intend on going back. They gifted me this bag with merch. So I'll show you guys tomorrow during the day. But there's a few shirts in there, very cool. Alright, so we're back at the crib. Little setup going up here. It's Thursday now, so you guys will be seeing this tomorrow. So the Heat thing, I'm actually crazy good vibe right now because I thrifted this whole fit. As you guys can see, I just came back from thrifting it, so perfect fit. You know, nothing better than thrifting some good pieces. So yeah, but back to the topic. So Tuesday, I never ended up telling you guys what happened with the Miami Heat. So they actually ended up gifting me this nice backpack, as you guys can see. Herschel, pretty cool. It has like some pattern here in the back, 305 Miami, cool. And then this card, handwritten card, pretty cool. Amazing experience, and two shirts that I already hung up in my closet. One of them I actually played basketball with yesterday, so it's getting washed right now, which is why I'm not bringing it out. But yeah, amazing experience overall. So the way that happened, they actually reached out to me like a month ago. They saw me on social media. I'm assuming it's TikTok because that's the one that's been like moving the most lately for me. And yeah, they pretty much said that they wanted to host me at a game. I thought that was amazing. I personally didn't expect that because I don't feel like there's obviously bigger creators and everything. But so when Miami Heat emailed me, I was like confused. I was a little confused, but yeah, so whatever. We ended up going back and forth. The first time that the game was gonna happen, I was actually in LA, and I was like, damn, if I miss this opportunity because I'm in LA finishing the hoodies, I was gonna be super mad. But then fortunately, we were able to reschedule. It ended up happening on Tuesday. We played the Mavericks. Unfortunately, we lost, but the experience was amazing. They gave me some merch. We were introduced to the two girls that were in charge of the influencer part, which were great, very nice. They took us to a lounge, 2 drinks on the Miami Heat, which was amazing. Then we actually started talking to some people there that ended up buying us 2 more drinks. So yeah, the seats were incredible. The game itself, this is not sponsored by the way, I'm not supposed to say anything, I'm just sharing my experience. But yeah, overall it was just crazy. I've never seen the players up close like that. I don't know if you've ever seen basketball players that close, but they are at least 3 times taller than what you expect. Like, these people are superhuman. It's crazy. Being from Miami, having grown up here for the most part since I was 12, when I moved here from Colombia, it was actually the year that they got LeBron. So as soon as I got here, we had like a 3-year streak of just being the craziest team in the NBA. So I didn't watch basketball at all growing up in Colombia because that's not a thing at all there. Soccer's a thing there. So when I got here, it's when I was first like introduced to the sport. Used to play in middle school, used to watch the games, and yeah, honestly, like coming full circle and having that opportunity was just like one of those things that makes you realize that you're in the right path, and all the little decisions that I've taken up to this point have led to that. So some great reassurance that I'm on the right path, working on my own things, doing things right. And you know, hopefully we're able to do this once again at Miami Heat. If you're seeing this, amazing experience. We'd love to do that again. So yeah, besides that, just wanted to explain a little bit because I know I said I was signed to the Miami Heat. So as an influencer, not as a player, because yeah, I'm down bad when it comes to basketball like that. Not bad, like I could play with people that are decent, but if I'm gonna play with someone that's actually playing, I'm gonna get smoked. So now I'm actually gonna go play basketball with J-Rich as a matter of fact. So I'll show you guys some clips so you guys see what I'm talking about. Just finished hooping. I just finished playing. Got smoked, man. We out here, Corey.
I don't even want to talk about what I did to my boy right here.
Nah, bro.
He played great.
We're gonna have to meet in the soccer field.